Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So just a quick video to let you know that if you are using YouTube Music for the web, so the online version of YouTube Music, that it seems that Google is working on a visual redesign and a layout change that they are bringing to YouTube Music to make it look more like YouTube as a service. Now currently, this is what the current layout looks like of YouTube Music online. So we get our home categories, explore, library, search found at the top, and then here to the top left we get our different categories of music we can choose regarding a music preference and a music choice. Now if we just head over to the changes I have spotted recently in my region over the last 24 hours or so, we can see things are looking a little bit different. And first of all, the biggest change is we get this left-hand navigation menu and pane to the left-hand side of the actual service and the app. And now the home, explore, and library, which used to be here at the top, are now found to the left-hand side. And here we get all our different playlists and being able to obviously create a new playlist. And I think another big change is the search now has this search bar at the top, where previously this was just a button, and our music categories and the different categories of music we can choose from are still here, basically to the top left where they used to be originally. Now I have noticed this seems to be on a controlled rollout in my region. You may have seen this new layout change, you may have not. Just bringing it to your attention because it is quite drastic. And to be totally honest, I've seen this over the last day or so and I'm still trying to get used to it because obviously there's a bit of muscle memory involved here, and trying to head to other areas now to get to different options is obviously just taking a little bit more to get used to. But seems that Google is trying to take on the look and feel of YouTube as a service, because obviously if you head over to YouTube, you get all your different categories here to the left-hand side. And as mentioned previously, with YouTube, that was not the case. With YouTube Music, that was not the case. And obviously Google just trying to collate the look and feel now between the two services, being YouTube and YouTube Music. And at this stage, though, this may be rolling out to a subscription YouTube Music if you are subscribed. Now, I'm actually subscribed to YouTube Music, and I'm not noticing it on any of my devices and any of my browsers when I'm not signed in with the account that I have a subscription with. So this may be Google pushing this out to subscribers only. I'm not sure. Maybe you can just confirm that in the comments if you are also affected. But nonetheless, just letting you know that this new layout, visual redesign change to the actual YouTube Music service and the YouTube app for the web version has now started rolling out, and just bringing it to your attention if you are tied into the Google ecosystem and are using YouTube Music. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.